Hi, second graders. Miss Linder here. Today is May 4th. We are going to be doing a science lesson about parents and offspring, so a brand new topic. So parents pass on characteristics and traits to their offspring. So their offspring would be essentially you or a baby. These characteristics and traits cause the offspring to resemble the parents. Exactly what do these words mean? So our activity today is we're going to create a 3-flap foldable where you will record the vocabulary words below on the outside of the flap and the definition of the word on the inside of the flap. There's a photo on this bottom screen. You should be able to see it. And here are the vocabulary words. Resemblance, a way in which two or more things look alike. Characteristics, features that make up and distinguish an individual, such as a characteristic of yourself might be you have dark hair, you have curly hair, you have freckles on your face. So then we think about traits. Traits are physical characteristics passed down from a parent to their baby or offspring. For example, eye color, hair, skin color, curly hair, straight hair, dimples, freckles, or if they're short and tall, their height. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to make the 3-flap foldable so you can put the vocabulary words on there yourself. So you are going to take a piece of paper, it doesn't matter, any piece of paper. You're going to fold it long ways, okay? The long way, just like this, okay? That's your first step. So on the outside, you can either make 3 lines. If you don't have scissors, you can just make the 3 lines, okay? Because you have 3 vocabulary words. You're going to open it up, and you're going to match the lines and do the same thing on this bottom part. Just like this, okay? So I have 3 lines on the inside, 3 lines on the outside. You can cut the ones on the outside. I'm going to cut the ones on the outside. Just the ones on the outside. And I'll show you once it's cut what it will look like. And see, I only cut the ones on the inside. So you would open the flap and there would be a definition here. You could open the middle flap and you would have the definition here. Same for the end flap. As you notice, the inside of it is not cut at all. So we're gonna give you the example of how to do this. The first word is resemblance. So I'm gonna write that on the outside flap, the flap that I cut or did first. And then the middle flap, I'm gonna put the word characteristics on the outside. And the last flap, I'm gonna put traits. So again, I'll make it full screen. That is what yours should look like, have the words on the outside or the flaps that are cut. And then we will go for each one. For resemblance, we're gonna put the definition in the inside under the resemblance flap. And I'll show you that as well. So if you look under resemblance, you should lift the flap and you should have a definition, a way in which 2 or more things are alike. So then the next one you're gonna do is you're gonna put under characteristics, you're gonna put the definition for characteristics. And then for traits, you're gonna put the definition for traits, okay? And that concludes our lesson for today. If you have any questions, so it's just talking about each vocabulary word, what they mean when it's talking about parents and offsprings. If you have any questions, please reach out to any of us and make sure you are sending a picture of the work you're doing. This is going to be a physical work item, so you're going to have to send it to your teacher. All right, well, have a good day. We'll see you next time.